Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. If you guys are wondering about the pink headband, it's because my hair is all messed up. And I kind of like the flow of this pink headband. But we're on our way to an abandoned factory. I'm filming with Connor and Andres. I haven't filmed with them in like so long. So shout out to them because they're the boys. And we're gonna get lit. We're just gonna go explore, see what we find. And yeah, let's get to it. Guys, this trip is kind of scary because we gotta go cross the bridge and the bridge is all broken down. So one wrong step and you're falling through the bridge, which is, yeah, you guys know how I am. I'm a little girl, I don't really like to do these things. But we're just gonna go anyways and see how it is. It's pretty cool though because you gotta go through this little opening right there, if you guys can see. Ah, God. Damn. All right guys, we're on the bridge right here. So you guys, this is sketchy guys. Everything is just moving. Oh no, this is so sketchy, yo. So sketchy. Guys, this is the sketchiest bridge I've ever been on. It's broken. That's a beautiful shot though. It's really nice. Sketchy but nice. And they're just walking on it like nothing, bro. I don't know how you guys are just... We made it to the other side of the bridge, and the abandoned factory should be somewhere around here. We just have to find it. I'm guessing it's like down, it should be down there, it should be somewhere over there. They said it's close right when you get off the bridge, so I'll get back to you guys when I actually find it. Whoa, yeah. This is sketchy downhill right there. Oh, oh. Down goes Andres. Ah, good talk. Connor's turn. Oh, my turn. Good job, Connor. Oh, that didn't work. So I chose to wear white shoes today for some... Oh, I fell. Oh, God. Yo, I was recording too. I just ate it and I was recording. Oh. I got my butt dirty. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, here we go. We're still slipping. Oh my God. All right, guys. So we're not in the best part of this town that we should be. Anything for a video, you guys already know. But we're right here. The building is right there. But there's another building that we're probably going to. I don't know if we're gonna go to this one. But I'm just worried about us, like our area that we're in, because we're not in a very good area. But it's all right. We got scooters. So if anything happens, guys, Molly mode. See, he just moved his head. Oh, he's gone. There you go. Alright guys, let's hope we never run into that thing again, because I don't know if it's good or I don't know if it's nice or bad or whatever, but I do not want to run into that. I don't really know what this is. It's just, I want to go in there. But there's a hole over there. It's definitely abandoned for sure. Oh, it's just sketchy. Guys, my shoe choice is amazing, isn't it? Yep, just amazing, honestly. Guys, so we got to this thing and there's no way in. I mean, we can go through there, but there's not much inside. It's really dark and yeah, it's just flooded too, so. All right, guys, Connor took one for the team. He's going in first. This place is destroyed. Chill, what is that? The whole floor is just like, flies and everything. All right, so let's just go see what's over there. Oh, there's an upstairs, guys. What's in there, dude? Guys, this is scary, dude. What is that? Guys, that door doesn't open, and I don't know what that is over there, but I'm not trying to go in there either. It's just a scary chair here. Guys, the vibe in here is just not like good. If you guys were in here, you'd understand. Oh my God. Just the vibe in here is not good. It just feels like really, well, I mean over here is not. Oh my God. Guys, there's a house over there. Guys, you guys see that? Yo, chill. All right, guys, we're trying to be as quiet as we can because there might be people in there and I'm not really sure. So the water's dripping. Yo, guys, this is like the perfect place for a scary movie. I mean, we could run easily, but this is just straight creepy. This is scary. Alright guys, so I gotta stick just in case. Guys, someone actually lives here. This is crazy. There's a bed, there's everything, yo. People actually live here. This is crazy. Yo, check it out, check it out. People actually live in here. Alright guys, so we're just gonna walk in here, see what's in here.
There's something there.
Nothing? Nothing? Deadass?
I checked that.
It's a teddy bear just chilling there, guys. Sorry it's a little blurry, but there's not much to see. Alright guys, Connor's going first. He's taking this one for the team. Nothing much in here, guys. It's just really, really dark, kind of creepy vibe, and that's it. What's in there? Yeah, just close the door. Alright, there's really nothing. What is that?
More needles.
Oh, needles?
Oh, what?
Oh, what the hell, dude? There's no Molly in here.
More needles.
Well, they got a brush at least. But needles, guys. Like,
They got TVs.
that's crazy. They got a TV or? Okay, close that shit. Oh, spiders. Nope, 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 nope. Alright guys, so we found this little, like, bunker looking thing in here. We're gonna go see what's inside. Oh, this is sketchy. What the hell was this? Oh boy. Guys, Connor's about to throw a lighter. Oh. Nothing happened. Just throw it. Oh! Another one? I don't know. Yeah, bro, couldn't pop. Alright guys, so we're leaving now. I just found a little way, like, to go through here. So we're just gonna go. I don't know. I mean, yeah, the bridge is right there, so. Alright guys, so we're back on this sketchy hill that I don't like going up. Oh god. Let's put it like this, guys. If any of them fall, I'm dead. Alright guys, I made it up. Never doing that again. Back on the bridge. I'm so tired. You guys have no idea how tired I am. I'll get back to you guys when I make it on the other side. Alright guys, me and Connor made it. The bridge is too sketchy. Well, back through the woods we go, guys. The only reason I'm scared of going through like the jungle and stuff is poison ivy. That's my worst fear. I've had it once and yeah, never again do I want that thing. Alright guys, so we just made it across the bridge. We're all good. A little itchy, but we chilling. Alright guys, so please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff you guys already know. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. Guys, go subscribe to Connor. He's at 2K, and Andres, who's at? What are you at?
728.
He's at 728. So for you people that haven't subscribed to him, go subscribe to him. I'll put their channels in the description, and I'll probably put it down here in the like corner right here. And guys, my Instagram, Snapchat, everything in the description, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Love you.